Maidentrip. Released 2013, directed by Gillian Schlesinger. Ponyo. Curly Sue. The Bad Seed. Eighth grade. Beasts of the Southern Wild. National Velvet. Released 1944, directed by Clarence Brown. Ramona and Beezus. Fly Away Home. Released 1996, directed by Carol Ballard Moore. Fly Away Home 337 of 541. The Greatest Guilty Pleasure Movies 20 of 84 great movies that take place in autumn. 207 of 306 the best movies for kids. It Takes Two. Released 1995, directed by Andy Tennant. Dora and the Lost City of Gold. Released 2019, directed by James Bobbin. The Secret World of Arrietty. Pan's Labyrinth. Because of Winn-Dixie. My Girl. Pollyanna. Little Miss Sunshine. To Kill a Mockingbird. Bridge to Terabithia. Now and then. The Secret Garden. A Little Princess. Matilda. Released 1996, directed by Danny DeVito.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.